Imagine a financial tool so powerful that Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Yes, we're talking about compound interest, a concept that can turbocharge your wealth growth over time. Simply put, compound interest is the interest you earn on both your original money and on the interest you continually accumulate. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining more snow and momentum with every roll. But that's not all. We also have the Rule of 72, a handy little equation that helps you estimate how long it'll take for your investment to double. This rule is a quick and easy way for investors to make informed decisions about their money. Now, these might sound like complex financial jargon, but trust us, they're not as complicated as they sound. And the results, well, they can be astounding. Stick with us as we delve deeper into these fascinating concepts. What's the secret behind the exponential growth of your investments? Compound interest. This financial phenomenon is akin to a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and momentum as it goes. The principle is simple yet powerful. When you invest money, you earn interest. But with compound interest, you also earn interest on that interest. Let's illustrate this with a simple example. Imagine you invest $1,000 at a 7% annual interest rate. After 1 year, you've earned $70 in interest. The following year, you earn interest not just on your original $1,000, but also on the $70 you earned the previous year. This process repeats year after year, exponentially increasing your wealth. With time and patience, compound interest can significantly multiply your money. After 30 years at this rate, your initial $1,000 investment would grow to over $9,600. As you can see, compound interest can be a mighty tool in your financial arsenal. Now let's unlock a secret tool for investors, the Rule of 72. This is a simple yet powerful tool that helps you estimate how long it takes for an investment to double. And how does it work? Quite simply, you divide the number 72 by the annual interest rate. For instance, if your investment has an annual interest rate of 6%, you divide 72 by 6, giving you 12. This means it would take roughly 12 years for your investment to double. Quite easy, isn't it? The Rule of 72 is particularly handy when you're making quick estimates or comparing the potential of different investments. It's like having a financial crystal ball, giving you a glimpse into the future of your wealth growth. Remember, the higher the interest rate, the quicker your investment doubles. The Rule of 72, a quick and easy tool to gauge your investment growth. What are some strategies to harness the power of compound interest? Let's explore. Firstly, it's essential to start early. The sooner you begin investing, the more time your money has to grow. Secondly, consistency is key. Regular contributions to your investments, even if they're small, can add up significantly over time. Next, be strategic with your investments. Seek out opportunities that offer competitive interest rates to accelerate your wealth growth. Fourthly, reinvest your earnings. Instead of spending your interest, plow it back into your investments to maximize the power of compounding. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, patience is paramount. Resist the temptation to withdraw your money prematurely. The magic of compound interest truly shines when given time to work. Remember, time is your best friend when it comes to compound interest. Even the best tools can be ineffective if used incorrectly. Let's avoid these common mistakes with compound interest investing. First, don't withdraw your earnings prematurely. The magic of compound interest relies heavily on reinvestment. Removing your gains can significantly slow down this magic. Second, be wary of investing in low-interest accounts. While they may seem safer, they often fail to keep pace with inflation, eroding the real value of your savings over time. Third, remember that compound interest is a long game. Impatience can lead to hasty decisions and missed opportunities. Lastly, avoid the temptation of taking on too much risk for the promise of higher returns. A balanced and diversified portfolio can help mitigate risk while still allowing for growth. With a little patience, discipline, and the right knowledge, compound interest and the Rule of 72 can be your keys to financial freedom. Enjoyed the video? If you did, we've got a lot more insightful content coming your way. By subscribing to the Crypto Trading Masterclass channel, you're not just supporting us, but also ensuring that you won't miss out on any future videos. It's a win-win. So why wait? Hit that subscribe button and join the Crypto Trading Masterclass community today. Together we can navigate the world of investing and achieve financial freedom.